Imagine a world where artificial intelligence could create an exact replica of your favorite celebrity doing things they've never done before, saying things they've never said. A world where you could insert yourself into any movie scene, stand side by side with any historic figure. This world isn't a distant future, it's the here and now, thanks to AI-generated media. Artificial intelligence, in its essence, is a tool, a powerful one that can create stunningly realistic images and videos. It's a tool that can bring joy, intrigue, and amazement. For instance, picture an AI recreating a long-gone artist's style so perfectly that it generates a whole new masterpiece, indistinguishable from the artist's original work. Or perhaps bringing your favorite book character to life, just as you've always imagined them. This is the magic of AI-generated media, a magic that opens up a world of endless possibilities. Yet, as with any powerful tool, there's a flip side, a darker side. AI-generated media can also be used to deceive, manipulate, and cause harm. A technology known as deepfakes can create hyperrealistic videos of people doing or saying things they never did. From political figures declaring war to celebrities involved in scandalous acts, the potential for misuse is vast and concerning. This is the double-edged sword of AI-generated media. The key to harnessing the potential of AI-generated media lies in responsible usage and effective regulation. It's important to remember that while AI itself is neutral, its application can be either positive or negative, depending on human intent. In summary, artificial intelligence has revolutionized media creation, offering unprecedented opportunities for creativity, entertainment, and even historical preservation. Yet, it also poses significant risks, particularly when used to create deepfakes with the intent to deceive or harm. As we move forward, it's crucial that we develop robust safeguards and ethical guidelines to ensure the responsible use of this powerful technology. So the next time you come across an image or video that seems too good to be true, take a moment to question its authenticity. Because in this age of AI-generated media, seeing isn't always believing.